If you've been battling with crackling sound issues on Discord while using your PC, you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to guide you through some tried and tested fixes to get your Discord audio smooth and clear. So let's dive right in. Sometimes Discord's audio settings can cause issues. Here's what you can tweak. Go to settings by clicking the gear icon, then click on voice and video. Here, voice and video, scroll down to advanced and disable advanced voice activity. Also, try turning off enable quality of service high packet priority. Disable all the echo cancellation and noise suppression. Check if this solves the issue. If not, don't worry, we've got more fixes. Now go to your start bar and type in Task Manager. Now, after you've opened the Task Manager application, go to Details, which you can find on the left hand side. Then click on Audio, right click on it. Then set its priority to high. Then tap on Set Affinity and unselect all the options. The next thing you can do is go to your search taskbar and type in Settings and open your Settings application. Then simply tap on Sound. Scroll down until you find Advanced option. Then tap on More Sound Settings. Then tap on the second option, that is Recording. And here you can choose the properties and you can disable it. Then simply head over to Device Uses and enable to use this device. And hopefully one of these fixes helped resolve the crackling sound issue on Discord for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.